even the catch basin with mulch covering it. Can you see the movement? You see, it still works great. The grate keeps the debris from going down into the line. Catch basins are so important, so important. French drain, it is also important. Take a look. You can see these areas I just showed you. You watch. In the next 5 or 6 minutes, all of this water will be gone. All of it. That sump pump is a Zoller M98 half horsepower pump. Oh yeah, this is already dry. And I mean, it pumps 100 gallons a minute. 100 gallons a minute. All of this area with that one Zoller M98, it's about a half an acre back here. And there's another catch basin here. Its water's receding. It all comes out here to the front. The pump lifts it up and is pumping it about 220 feet, which is a long, long ways, And that pump works so good. Let's just walk out here and take a look. Then we'll walk back in the back. I'll keep the camera running. You're gonna be amazed. All these things I've been showing you for all these years. Apple Drains has more video of how to do things for drainage than any other company.
You know, I'm really excited to put together the digital download of the complete rainwater drainage systems. Professional tips and installation from hundreds of jobs. Can't wait.
You know, we're here in Orlando and we just got back to the shop. It's been a long day. Plug that pump in and it is working so good. Within a few minutes, this area is totally dry. And you can see this pump. The pit's probably still relatively full. Well, it's going down, but it's moving all that water. All that water. And you can see there's no debris down there. There's no debris coming down through those catch basins. That is such a hype. Catch basins are so important, guys, so important. And discharge to daylight. Remember, this is the daylight. You see where this pipe comes in? This is daylight. And the pump lifts it up and sends it out.
I'm really happy to see more and more other channels showing how to use sump pumps. You know, we've been talking about sump pumps for 20 years and they're just now learning and getting it right.
Sump pump has always been the answer, and these people are just finding that out. Oh, beautiful, just beautiful. Let's take a look here in the driveway. And you can see already that water's totally gone. Totally gone. And the catch basin's right here. And you can see no grate gets into that, or excuse me, no debris gets into the catch basin. You can cover that with mulch if you want. Of course, the mulch does float, but it's working great. It's working great. Can you remember when I just walked through here and you could see all that water splashing over my boots? Take a look. I mean, it's almost gone completely. There is a catch basin beginning here, and French drain underground comes over, turns, and it runs over to the sump basin.
Quick note, guys, if you live in the Gulf states, you are probably watching the Weather Channel, and we have 2 hurricanes approaching the Gulf and the Gulf states. Be ready. You know, we're working as fast as we can. For example, today I had a crew in Kissimmee. Myself, I was in Sanford, Florida, installing. We're working as fast as we can. I really wish that we were a larger company and that we could get to everyone, you know, all the calls, all the people's problems. But you know what? Hang in there and we will get to your call as soon as possible. And the best thing is, you know that it's going to get done right and you won't have a problem again. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.